Hello again YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm working on this pedal car wagon. I already got started on this project and you can see I have a wagon sectioned in there. And I added the steering wheel. It's not really going to steer this way, this is just for looks. But for now I need to focus on getting the rest of the wheels mounted. So you can see how the wagon's sectioned in there. And how I mounted the front axles. I had the other wheel mounted, but the measurements weren't right, so I had to cut it off and do it again. As with most of my wagon builds, I try to use as much of the original hardware as I can. So here's the front axles that I cut down. I welded it so that it wouldn't steer the wheels. And then I just welded it to the bottom of the wagon. And this side's good though. I did have to roll the fender a bit so that it would clear without rubbing. So here I have the wheels mounted, and now I can get on the back wheels. I'm going to be using these training wheels and cut this section of the body and just sink them in there. Not sure how I'm going to mount it yet. So this is what I decided on. It was easier for me to just keep the training wheel brackets intact and weld them to the bottom of the tub and then just reinforce them. But I ran out of welding wire. Sucks. At least I was able to get it all tacked in, and it's secure enough now where I can, mock it up, test it, make sure it's what I want it to be, and then do the finishing weld later. Front axles are done. And this is how she rolls. This is the reason I used this wagon, because it was roached out from the other side. But I can still use these parts. I'm going to flip them over, and they're going to be the wheel tubs. Cover up that hole. Kind of like that. I just had to cut it down a bit. And that's more or less what it's going to look like. And there's the other side. So now I can work on the handle. I got this handle from an old stroller, and I really like the way it folds. I've used this type of handle in different projects before, and I really like them. So there it is, all tacked in. And she's ready. So if you want to see what this wagon looks like once I finished it out with all the accessories and stuff, definitely go check out my Instagram. I'll have that information in the description section below. But that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. If you did, go smash that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.